pictures we say still. Them. It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, tuning in. Now, before this video begins, I want to say a huge shout out to my friend right here, Bo. Jay's Fortune. It's me, I say, go for say King Sink. I'm old channel here. Anyways, I want to go subscribe to my channel, check out my channel. Me, I say, yard man, regular yard man, him the whole heap of things. I don't want to know about yard, I don't want to know about the girls, them and everything. What go on over there, let him spicy over there. Me, I say, go and go support the man thing, get him to 1,000 subscribers right now. I'm out. What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction. So the number one YouTuber in the entire Caribbean. Right now we're here with another video for you guys. Now yesterday, Trinidad got their share of it. You understand me? We're finna start this. So if you say nobody do it, me first do it. The Reaction Boss started. So right now we're finna rate the number one, rating the hottest females in Guyana. We did Trinidad yesterday, we're gonna do Guyana today. So rating the hottest females in Guyana today. Instagram photos from 1 through 10. You understand me? You understand what I'm trying to say to y'all? Now we have, before that, comment on this video to see your comment to the next video that I post. We'll post every single day, right? Every single day. Reactions are coming back on Monday, guys, so stay tuned. Reaction them are forward Monday I'll get those reactions. I am busy as hell. From Thursday through Sunday I work 14 hours every single day, so videos you may be seeing are made in advance, if not in the night, and I can't really do reactions in the night because I'm extra loud doing the reactions. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. Like up the video. Let's get 200 likes on this video right now. No, so if you're watching it, you like the video. Yes, me see y'all watch, I don't want to like the video. Anyway, so this female is called, wait. She is called Timeka Marshall. Okay, screen recording on the screen right now. Which side? Over here, so. Any side of the screen, one go on. Bop over the side. Right now, she has 117k followers on Instagram. Sadly, I don't have that much. I only got 3,900. Get me to 4,000 followers. Tyrekevlogs, link down below. Anyways, she is an artist. She calls herself the Guyanese queen. She's the queen of Guyana. She's a singer. She's a songwriter. She's an entrepreneur. You can book her. Anyways, let's see what's popping. First picture right now, we're gonna rate these from 1 through 10. We're gonna see what's popping. So hopefully we are. You know me, I don't behave myself when it comes to female. I am all over. Let's go. First pick. Ooh. Light skin. South. Okay. What? Hot. Plain and baiting. Hot. Front seat of plain. Hold on. Hot. Waterfalls. Hot. Now man the blackie man. Anyways, 1 through 10. So we're create that one. We're the first. Ooh. Look at those legs. We're not doing all of that. 1 through 10. Give her a 8. Go on. Janga International. Okay. Just see him fit, you know. I just see him fit. We're not rating that one. Let's go. Okay. D. Rich. I like the drip. I like the drip. It's a good look. Tired of being broke. License plate. Oh. Okay. Then you need. Okay. We're gonna give this. Don't give us a 9, you know. We like the fit and plus the name Audi car. Yeah, we give that a 9. Go on, let's scroll. Text my body.
Boy, you need
don't want to get no copyright, but she's an artist also. But we're rating pictures today. Let's go. Okay. Clean. You see, because you're light skin and y'all know my girl light skin, so you don't know it's chopping up. I get right here for that. Go on. We don't have some good things must there, and you know I like see already, you know. No, I would like see already, you know. Alright. Alright. We get ourselves for that one day. What is this? Just have vibes. Okay. Alright. We get our 8 for that one day. Let's go through. There we go. In the studio vibes. Alright. Studio vibes. We get our 7 for that. I don't know what's that flashback. I would this. I can't use that. Oh. Hookah. Alright. Don't know. You should be making some O's though. What happened to the O's? You can't be hitting the hook and you hit the smoke. We'll give you an 8 for that still. Go on. Okay, we see the good thing of people. Alright, yes. Not doing that all of that. What a 8? Hold on, a soca music she do? Are she that? Today we would have been on the road for Guyana Carnival. Okay, so I am go ahead and pretend I am on the road, same way with. Oh, okay, alright, go on. Pictures will say still. We're not going in too much. Well, I know. We're not zooming in too much tonight. Nope, we're not doing it. But we still look at a spot. But that we're not even pay that mind. Calm down. It's a good look. Let's scroll. Yo, let me scroll. Wait, I didn't rate it. 10. But Moss, what kind of question is that? Let me relax. Cause I might get a longer video today. Let's scroll. Let me scroll. She's a dog lover. Okay. Hold on. Wait. Why this dog? Look how this dog bright though. Bright. Dog get too bright, man. Aww. Dog I try to get some. We this not a little guy and we fell in love. Oh, he's fell in love with a puppy. Okay. It's a cute dog though. We give that pick a 9. Let's go. Oh, okay. What a 9. Okay, what a 8. Very good by the photo of them man. I like how she keep her Instagram clean. I like it. Hold on, sorry. Okay. What a 9. Flat chest and bait. Oh, that's her music. She the soca. I soon start. If you guys don't know, I'm gonna start doing soca music reactions when it comes close to carnival again. When you guys can go outside and also look out for the soca reaction. Them starting soon, coming soon. But just know they are forward. You didn't see that? You didn't see me just double tap that? You didn't see that I just double tap the picture, right? You didn't see all of that just now, you know? We're not even going to zoom in because I know YouTube don't like them something here. So, while you're 10, I will scroll. Let me scroll. Right, well, that's 7 for that. Let me scroll. Let me continue to scroll and get some fast rating. Quarantine meetings. Happy basket of shady girl text. Soon direction there, brother. Let me scroll. Pictures. 7. Scroll. Let me scroll. Let me scroll. Them big champagne yeah pop extra. Extra large, my fave. The caption says people. Can you zoom? You can't even zoom in on the caption. The caption says extra large, my fave. The caption under the picture, the type, right? Oh Lord, here we go. Oh, okay. Okay. Otters. Alright, what I say for the still? What I eat? Carnival, Slate, Jamaica. I want to post Carnival pics too. Oh, wow. What a 9. What a like that fit here. That fit here go on. You see me here say? Your friend body. Why? But like that. Let we scroll. Ooh. This is not a picture, it's not a pic, but what I 10. It's not a pic, but a she wear, but not even worried that come a man there. Now see the picture here now. What I eat? Okay. Anyway, scroll. What a 9. Why this? Hold on. Why is this fit moving like this? Why that fit here move so? What if I got zoom in? We're gonna just gear our ratings and we're gear our 9 hours scroll. Young man? Old man? Sir? Why these guys moving so bright? Them know so once me look upon that girl and my one. Them know so once me I make a video about a girl, she is mine. Like you in a trouble now, youth. You in a trouble now. You're shining in a trouble too now. You was in a trouble now, cause you know why you live your best life, you know, have champagne and a phone in a one hand, you know. You was in a trouble now. You understand me? I try to say to you, you need to go sit down. And you, I don't know what I'm to you, your dreadlocks must be too tight or something, but you're in a trouble, you're too close. I'm not even gonna rate that picture here. Got my vibes, I'm gonna scroll. Hold on, this post on my birthday, February 18th. This pic was posted on my birthday. No, trouble. What a 9. Well, yeah, I show the bartender everything. What a 7. What a 7, man. I could be able to say. So as if not the most spicy there. Not the most spicy in there. I know I could say, alright, not the most spicy in really. Trouble? 9, you don't know? Most spicy in the real left on the page. I like how she keep it clean. You know, she not over. Ooh. Trouble? Oh, wait, that's still a Carnival 10. You know what I mean? Ooh. Trouble? What? Anyway, see, it's been a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. Smash the subscribe button at the face, tap the like button. Let's get 200 likes on this video. And see for more videos like this, just stay tuned, like up the video, comment if I emoji them, comment anything you want to comment. Comment where in Guyana you're from and see how much more people is from that place and make them like your comment. Drop your flag anywhere the Caribbean you watch a video from. Drop your comments. Drop your flag. I cherish 30,000 subscribers, so please consider subscribing to the boy channel right now. Peace out.